Welcome back to Decor Insider. As the air gets cooler and leaves start changing colors, it's the perfect time to bring that cozy fall atmosphere into your home. But decorating for fall doesn't have to be expensive. In today's video, I will show you 16 affordable DIY fall home decor ideas for 2025 that are creative, budget-friendly, and full of seasonal charm. These projects are easy to make, and most use items you already have at home or can find for just a few dollars. So grab your scissors, glue, and a little bit of imagination. Let's get started! Felt acorn garland. A garland is one of the easiest ways to add warmth to your space. To make a felt acorn garland, you'll need felt sheets in brown, orange, and cream colors, or you can use pom-poms. Cut out small oval shapes for the acorn bottoms and darker felt caps to glue on top. Attach them to a piece of twine, spacing them evenly. Hang this across your mantle, window, or even above a doorway. It's a cozy and cute detail that instantly sets a fall mood without costing much at all. Terracotta pumpkin dupe. Terracotta pumpkins are trending, but they can be pricey. Here's an affordable hack. Take any old pumpkin decor you already have, plastic or foam ones work perfectly, and paint them with terracotta-colored chalk paint. For extra texture, mix a little baking soda into the paint before applying. This gives that rustic clay look without the high cost. Place these pumpkins on shelves, tables, or as part of a centerpiece. They look high-end but are surprisingly cheap to make. Dried wheat decoration. Nothing says fall like golden wheat stalks. You can find dried wheat at your local craft store or farmer's market. Tie a bundle together with twine or a ribbon. Place it in a vase or simply lay it flat on your dining table as part of a centerpiece. The natural golden color of wheat adds a rustic farmhouse touch. You can even spray the ends with a bit of gold paint for a subtle shimmer, perfect for festive dinners. Natural elements display. One of the best things about fall decor is that nature provides it for free. Collect colorful leaves, pine cones, branches, or bittersweet vines from your yard or a nearby park. Arrange them in vases, glass bowls, or even wooden trays. This simple display brings the outdoors inside and creates that earthy, cozy feeling that's perfect for autumn evenings. And the best part, it costs nothing but a little walk outside. Painted pumpkins and gourds. Not every pumpkin needs carving. Instead, grab some acrylic paints and let your creativity run wild. You can paint stripes, polka dots, or even metallic accents. Small gourds also look stunning when painted. If you prefer something more minimal, go with a monochrome look. White or matte black pumpkins look sleek and modern. This is a great activity for kids too, since it's fun, easy, and mess-free compared to carving. Wooden pumpkins. Here's a DIY that's both rustic and reusable. Take small wooden blocks or scrap wood pieces and paint them orange. Tack and glue them into a round pumpkin shape. Add a small stick on top for a stem and maybe some raffia or twine for a rustic finish. These wooden pumpkins will last for years, making them a sustainable option compared to real pumpkins that eventually spoil. Cloth pumpkins. This is one of my favorite budget-friendly DIYs. Take fabric scraps, plaid, linen, or even old clothes and cut them into circles. Place a bit of stuffing in the center, gather the edges, and tie them together. Insert a small twig in the middle to act as the stem. These soft pumpkins are cozy, safe for kids, and add a homemade touch that feels personal and warm. Mason jar vases. Mason jars are so versatile. For fall, paint the outside in warm colors like burnt orange, mustard yellow, or deep red. Wrap some twine around the top, and then fill the jars with artificial fall flowers, wheat, or colorful leaves. These jars make perfect table accents, or you can line them up on your windowsill for a cheerful seasonal display. Leaf lanterns. This DIY brings a magical glow to your home. Take real or faux fall leaves and glue them onto mason jars. Once dry, place a tea light candle or LED light inside. When lit, the lantern gives off a warm, glowing effect that highlights the leaf patterns beautifully. These lanterns are perfect for cozy nights in or even as outdoor decorations for a fall gathering. Planter box centerpiece. If you have a wooden planter box or tray, you can easily turn it into a fall centerpiece. Fill it with dried leaves, small gourds, faux pumpkins, pine cones, and a bit of burlap. Add a few candles for extra coziness. Place this on your dining table, coffee table, or entryway. It's an eye-catching piece that instantly makes your home feel festive and welcoming. Leaf garland. If you love garlands, here's another idea. Collect colorful fall leaves and press them flat for a few days. Once they're dry, string them together with a needle and thread or use small clips. Hang the garland across your fireplace, around windows, or along stair railings. Simple, beautiful, and shows off the rich colors of the season. DIY wreath. A fall wreath doesn't need to be expensive. Start with a wire or foam wreath base. Wrap it with burlap, then glue on artificial foliage, pine cones, or ribbons. You can customize the colors to match your home decor, classic orange and yellow, or a modern twist with burgundy and cream. Hang it on your front door to welcome guests with a touch of autumn charm. Good potpourri. Fall isn't just about looks, it's about scents too. Make your own potpourri with dried citrus slices, cinnamon sticks, cloves, star anise, and pine cones. Add a few drops of essential oils like orange or clove for extra fragrance. Place the mixture in bowls around your home or in small sachets for closets. The aroma will instantly make your home feel cozy and inviting.